Some visual cues can help a lot when you are learning ballet moves. In this video, I share some of my favorites with you, so come along. Hello dancers, welcome to the Loft Ballerina channel. I create content for adult ballet dancers to help you with your journey and to share my own. If you're new here and you like it, hit subscribe and make sure to check out all of my other videos. So a lot of times, especially when learning moves for the first time, it helps dancers of all ages, not just adults, to have a visual, something that makes the move more relatable in the mind. All moves in ballet, even the basic bar moves, require the engagement of multiple muscle groups. And sometimes it's easier to have an image that can work as a sort of an anchor to help you understand what are you supposed to be doing and how it's supposed to feel in your body. Now, sometimes these mental images are downright silly and ridiculous, but that helps us remember them better. And this is why they are so effective. The neuroscience nerd in me went and found out that the more unusual the visual is, the easier it is to remember, and the more effective it will be in imprinting the desired action in your body. I want to share in this video with you some that I really like, and then later on I'll share more. These are my favorite ones. For plie, imagine you're a piece of bread in a toaster. As you go down, you want to remain completely straight so you don't get extra crispy burn by the heating elements on each side of the toaster. For any arabesque avant, imagine there's a teacup on the inside part of your heel and you do not want it to tip over, so you will maintain your turnout. If you want to jump higher, imagine you are a coiled spring before takeoff. To make yourself taller, more elongated, imagine there's always a rope pulling you up towards the ceiling, even as you plie. For the best balance in promenade, imagine you're the ballerina doll in a music box, and there's a rod connecting your standing leg to the floor, so you can't go anywhere else but around and around. This can also work for turns, so try these and let me know if they help. If you use these or any other visuals to teach others, please remember that it's important to make sure they can be relatable to the students. I think in the case of adults, they can easily understand pretty much any of these visuals, but younger kids, they might need some simpler ones that they can relate to. Do you have any weird, crazy visuals, cues that help you with ballet steps or any that your teacher uses? Please share them in the comments. Well, lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share as always, and I'll see you on the next one.